Hi everyone. So back with another Hi everyone, I'm back with another makeup video, and I don't really know what it's gonna look like till the end because I always just make it up as I go. Okay, so let's begin. So I'm gonna start with moisturizer. So I'm gonna start with an eyebrow pencil. Oh my god. This is the NYX brand. Okay. And then I just take the spoolie that it comes with and blend it, I guess. Okay. Next, I go with a brush, like a flat brush like this, with a brown shadow. This is just a random brow shadow, and I go over top what I just did. Okay, after that, I just take a brow gel. This is the NYX brow gel, and I just go over it. Okay, now I just take a, I guess, peach. This is technically an eye pencil eyeliner, but I just use this under the brows, and I need to sharpen it, but I don't know where my sharpener is. Bro, where is my sharpener? Okay, much better. Oh. And then I just use my finger to blend that. Okay, I just take a brush like this with some, I guess, really light powder like this one, and I just go over that in the brown bowl. Okay, now I go with a concealer just under the eyes. This is the Instant Age Rewind for Maybelline. And then I go over, this one's very old, I don't even know what this is from, but anyway, it's just like a lighter concealer. I just put very little near the inner corner. And I use a brush and just blend it out. Drag it in closer to the nose so that when I contour it looks even thinner, or at least I think so. Alright, and now I just go over with some powder. This is the Fit Me Maybelline, and I'll be using just a huge, technically this is a blush brush, but I'm gonna just use it for setting. And then I'll go with like a denser brush, but it's still some somewhat a fluffy brush, but a little denser than that. And I will go like closer to the inner corners just to make sure they're set and they won't crease. And then I like to go with a little bit more and then just go around this whole area. Okay, so that's the face, the base. Alright, now time for the eyes. So I want to do, I guess, a brown, kind of bronze smoky look. So at first I want to go with, this is called Canvas, this color. This is from the James Charles palette. And just as the base so that I have something to work with. Alright, now I want to start going with like browns. This is my first time using this. This is the, what is this? Java eyeshadow collection. It looks like this. I'm gonna go with this brown first, this one, with the same fluffy brush, and then just again with the crease. And then I will go in with Punch Me, which is this color, same brush. Okay, now I want to go darker, so I'm going to take a more like thin, I have no idea, this brush. And I'm going to go in with No Beans, which is this color, and really try to pack it in near the crease. I know that looks crazy. Okay, so back to the fluffy brush. We're just gonna blend it in with no like extra product. Just blend. Okay, so I want to go in with Code James, which is this middle color, and put it on the lid. Alright, I want to go back with the crease color and kind of, I guess, define it a little more and then blend it in. And whatever I have on this brush, I'm gonna just dust it under the eyes. This is a simpler look, obviously. I want to deepen it a little more on like the outer edges. I might just go with black. I've never used black on my eyeshadow, so here goes nothing. Let's go back with that brush I used with my eyebrows. Okay, and then just blend. Okay, and then I'm gonna add a little more brown, just a little more brown, just to make it transition well. Okay, it's coming together. I'm gonna go back to that beginning color, a very light base, the canvas color, but like almost basically nothing, and put that in the brush, and then use that to blend everything together. Yup. Okay, now I've been thinking I want to do like, you know, those like, it's been like, I don't know, I wouldn't say they were viral, but it was a bit like, there was a time where it was popular where you put like a pop of color in the inner corner. So I think I might do a pink one. I'll do that. So I'm probably gonna do Skip and then a shimmery color, so like Shook. I'm gonna use a really tiny brush for this. I'm gonna dip it very lightly because I don't know how pigmented this will be. Do I like that? Okay, we'll see. Let's put the shimmer. So, you know, what is this? Setting spray, and just spray the brush a little bit so that it has something to cling on to. Okay, I might go with like a white shimmer or like a lighter shimmer, like this one. That's called Ring Light. So I'm gonna do the same thing, spray. Yep. Okay, yeah, that's better. It's just too pink for me, so this one definitely controls it a little bit. Okay, and then something I have not done in a long time, wing liner. So we'll see how it goes. I might be very quiet because, you know, this is the hardest part and I haven't done this in forever. Okay, if I block the yeah, just understand. This is out, so I remember I have a new one. Okay, now let's try this again. Okay, so I applied lashes off camera because they are hard to do. Oh my god. Okay, so now I want to do just a tad bit of contour using the Hoola bronzer. Okay, and then so a little bit of contour. Focus more here rather than that way. Okay, and then same thing, a little bit of highlight. I'm gonna use that same inner corner highlight. I won't spritz it because I don't want it to be super obvious because I can get really oily and that's just not cute. Okay, well, last but not least, lips. So I'm just gonna go with like a super natural color. This is the Anastasia liquid lipstick in the shade Dusty Rose. Well, actually, last thing, which is to set everything. So let's just do that. And we're done. Oh no, I'm scared they're gonna fall off. Okay. So this is the finished look.